injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Martin Luther Jr. December 10 is celebrated as Human Rights Day worldwide. It was on this day in the year 1948 that the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, a document that outlines the fundamental rights of all human beings that must be protected universally. Everyone should be treated equally and with respect. People should not be discriminated against based on gender, race, religion, caste, etc. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is the foundational text in the history of human and civil rights. The Declaration consists of 30 articles detailing an individual's basic rights and fundamental freedom. So, my dear friends, why do we celebrate this day?
It inspires everyone to speak up and take action against discrimination in all of its forms, whenever and wherever it happens. It encourages nations and leaders to create equal opportunities for everyone and address the issues of inequality and discrimination. It raises awareness about people's social, cultural, and physical rights and ensures the welfare of everyone. To celebrate the achievements of those who have fought for and protected human rights. It's a day to reflect on what still needs to be done or what we can do to make this society a better place to live in. Each year, Human Rights Day has a different theme. This year's theme is Equality, Reducing Inequalities, Advancing Human Rights. Article 1 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights states that all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reason and conscience and should act towards one another in a spirit of brotherhood. At the heart of human rights lie the principles of equality and non-discrimination. Equality has the power to help break the cycle of poverty. It can help in advancing the right to healthy environment. It can help tackle the root causes of conflicts and crises. Equality means that we embrace our diversity and demand that all be treated without any discrimination. Societies that protect and promote human rights for everyone are more resilient and sustainable and stand better equipped to weather unexpected crises. Human rights in India. The Constitution of India gave primary importance to human rights. The Constituent Assembly incorporated in the Constitution the substance of the rights proclaimed and adopted by the General Assembly in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Further, on 10th December 1948, when the Constitution of India was in the making, the General Assembly proclaimed and adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which influenced the framing of the Indian Constitution. India was a signatory to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. A number of fundamental rights guaranteed to the individual in Part 3 of the Indian Constitution are similar to the provisions of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The National Human Rights Commission is an expression of India's concern for the protection and promotion of human rights. Apart from looking into the complaints of the human rights violations, the Commission also undertakes research, organizes seminars on human rights issues, spreads awareness about human rights, and encourages efforts of NGOs.
So, what role can you and I play on this Human Rights Day? Almost every day, there are chilling instances of human rights violations. Violence against Dalits, hate crimes on religious basis, harassment of journalists and activists, child abuse, sexual abuse, restrictions on freedom of expression and the press, and the list goes on. Dear friends, to deny people their human rights is to challenge their very humanity.